This is the Robin Ross Recap.
Suid-Afrika sukkel die afgelope, ek wil amper sê 2 jaar, met 'n bestuurslisensie drukmasjien wat hier en daar
Ja.
nie werk nie.
I don't get
Dan
it.
werk dit, dan werk dit nie. There's one in the country.
Which seems ludicrous to me.
Yes, that's the first thing, right? Daar's een in die land. So this story actually makes me very, very glad to hear. Die regering het 'n werkende digitale rybewys ontwikkel.
Oh, finally.
It's taken, and this is what is actually so impressive to me about it, a team of 4 people took them 3 months to do this thing, right? So they launched it.
Let me just let me press the button.
Yes, please do.
Congratulations. It makes me want to pull my hair out that 4 people could do it in 3 months after all this time, but cool.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
happy. I'm happy.
So they launched it about 4 days ago,
Yeah.
and it's just like an overhaul of important documents that you can now actually have it op jou foon. So wanneer dit is nou bekend gestel, wanneer dit nou amptelik in werking tree, kan jy aansoek doen vir jou rybewys. Jy kan betaal en jy sal die rybewys dan kry in digitale formaat soos onmiddellik.
In minutes.
Yes, in minutes. It's
Oh,
still
what a
being
change.
tested, and they are planning to roll it out, I think, early next year sometime. But it's the 3 months, 4 people thing that absolutely sent me.
That is because I know for a fact they're working to allow private optometrists so
Yes.
that you can go to any eye shop near you. They'll do the eye test for you and just send through the link or whatever. And then there's this, they're building like a digital government services platform called My Mzansi.
Yeah.
And I think this is going to be part of that as well. It's going to be rolling out. So you'll be able to do like your passport renewal applications or application for a license card or all of that kind of stuff. And the fact that this is going to store our driver's licenses as well is just so good. Because honestly, the schlep of having to get a new one is 'n pyn in die watsenaam.
Ja, dit is absoluut. Jy het eintlik die ander dag jou nuwe een gekry
Ja.
nadat jy jou beursie verloor het. Maar ek dink net dit wys ons wat ons eintlik in staat is om te doen as ons iets reg doen en die regte mense aanstel om so iets te doen. I found it so impressive.
No, I'm glad. I'm glad because it shouldn't take longer than a minute or 2. I should be able to open my phone, go click, my license is expired, give me a new one. En daar kom die ding.
Of kliks, ek het my beursie verloor, ek kort 'n nuwe rybewys.
Yeah, like I get it. They want people to do the eye tests, but like honestly, a driver's license is a thing. If you get it,
Yeah.
just leave it with me. Don't make me apply for a new one of these things. But it is good news. So fingers crossed. We'll keep you posted when the system finally does roll out. But I'm glad to see it's been trialed and it's now like op die punt, you know, it's coming.